guys, welcome back to another. Guys, here we have some slippers, guys. All variety, all different style and sweat bottom. It's begin to getting cold here, so let's go. This is a beautiful white dress, $50, and some jackets. This store have a large amount of selection, and the t-shirts that I buy, they call them boyfriend t-shirt. They're big, but they are nice to wear. Here we have some lovely jeans, shorts, and some cotton pants. I have enough pants. So guys, 2 for $20. $30, guys. I'm a little bit horsey today because it's getting cold. Nice long sleeve knitted top, $40. And here we have some slippers. If your feet are cold, you can wear this around the house. $40, guys, and it's worth it because it's soft and nice. Jeans, here are some lovely long sleeve tops. The material is thin, and you have the white one also. They look really nice. You can wear with the jeans. You have the brown, so you have brown, white, and black. Check this t-shirt out, it's nice. You have the green with different logo on it. It's beautiful. $30. That's beautiful. So guys, I'm just gonna browse around. This is a very lovely mustard top. And guys, jumpers. Remember jumpers, look at this. This is nice to wear in winter with a long sleeve inside. And it's thick. These are some little summer tops that you can buy and wear when the time is hot, but we are getting cold, so apparently they are selling them, 2 for $20, which is a good price. Nice summer tops here. So I'm just giving you a quick walkthrough, guys, as I have an appointment, so I just stopped by just to look, but saw the 2 shirts and just picked them up. Look at this nice white dress. It's cute, very cute, very nice. Beautiful, beautiful. Nice shades, guys. Yeah, but guys, as it relates to the sun, over here I wouldn't buy those. Those are just for what should I say, fashion. Nice top. And guys, this is just about it. I'm just gonna keep walking around, then I'm gonna head to the cafe and pay for my 2 tops. I'm in the man section, guys. So now I'm at the cashier, guys. I'm gonna pay for my 2 tops, and it's gonna be the end of the video, guys. Guys, I was talking and dancing a little. There was some music in the store, but I have to turn it down. I will get copyright. So guys, here they have some nice white see-through tops. These are for people with flat tummy. And I'm looking at a white top here. Looks good too. Can wear with your jeans. Cute, really cute. And the price is not bad, guys. You have the black. Here for $15, guys. Here are some nice white skirt and some nice cap and bags. I had to put the camera up because someone was in the store. I didn't want to do any video on them. So guys, let's continue. So guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. Kindly give a thumbs up, share with a friend. See you in the next video. Have a lovely weekend. Bye for now.